Hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about introduction of SAP and HANA. So coming to SAP, what is SAP? System application products in data processing is nothing but SAP. So system applications and products in data processing nothing but is a leading ERP software that helps business manage their operation effectively and efficiently. It means it integrates various business processes like finance, sales, human resource, supply chain, customer relation management, and production into a single system. That's why this is very popular than the other ERP softwares. Everyone clear, right? What it leads? System application products in a data processing. It helps business manage their operations effectively and efficiently. So that is SAP. Coming to second point, what is SAP HANA? What is SAP HANA? HANA is a database built by SAP. Why they invented this HANA-DB? Earlier we are using Oracle, okay, and SQL and other databases we are using to run this software. But the process or access is not faster than the expected. So that the HANA HANA DB they introduced for very fast database and for very quick response they have invented this. So in simple words we can say SAP HANA is very fast database made by SAP. It stores the data computer's memory. Computer's memory stands. It stores the memory in RAM. So instead of other DBs, if you consider, they are storing the data in hard drive, so it can read and write database faster, much faster than the other database. I'll give one example to everyone. We having a image in inbuilt memory in your mobile and the same image in external memory card. If you wanna edit or if you wanna see that image, it takes time if the image is in external memory card. That same image, if it is in inbuilt memory, very easily it access and it can do any addition or saving. It's very faster than the external memory. Another example I'll give: if you want to read something or if you want to do analysis on topic in a book, that book is available in your room. So when you want to read that or when you want to do analysis, easily you can pick the book and you can read the book and you can do the analysis. But the book is not available in your room, it is available in the library. You have to go there. You need to search the book and you need to search the topic and read and analysis it, which takes time. Same case here, HANA database is in memory in terms of RAM. It stores the data. so that it very quickly you can read and do the analysis compared to the other database. Other database data is stored in external hard disk. Okay, this is the main difference. So HANA is nothing but high performance, high performance analytic, analytic, and so HANA stands for HANA High Performance Analytic Appliance. Third question, key features. First feature is in memory. Why it is key feature? Due to in-memory storage, data stored in RAM for lightning fast access. That's why we are called it's a one kind of key feature. Column storage. So if you store the data in column storage manner, optimized for reading. That's why it is another kind of key feature. Real-time analysis. So if you want to do analysis for older or current instant data or instant analysis for huge data without delay, we can do. That's why real-time analysis is another kind of best feature. Combine combine OLTP and OLAP. OLTP means online transaction process. OLAP means online analytical process. We can do at a touch. Fifth best feature is integrate platforms. Integrate platforms. These are the five key features for HANA database. Is coming to where we are used. Mandatorily, we are going to use S4 HANA database. Why? Because it won't compatible with other database. That is the first application where we required instant reports and dashboard means business intelligence is required. Business intelligence purpose we are using HANA database. Lastly, data warehouse. In data warehouse, we know for complex and fast queries across the massive data. These are the three major applications we should use on our database. Fifth question or fifth point, what's special? So from these 4 points, we can say what's special in HANA compared to other database. First one is super faster, HANA Special. Second one is big data analysis or complex data analysis. Third one is real-time report and results. These are the five specials for HANA. So lastly, we can see what's the difference between HANA database and other databases. We can consider in-memory storage. So I can write it in-memory storage. So in-memory storage already I have given example of a book in a room and that same book in a library. So in-memory storage, this memory storage in RAM. Due to that, it's very quick response when we require. When we are considering other DBs, other traditional DBs, disk based. So it is not in RAM, the data is not stored in RAM, it is stored in disk, this hard disk. Coming to speed, lightning fast response it is consists. So very fast response in HANA-DB. Comparatively low, slower. I can consider slow. Comparatively slower. Why? Because due to disk access. Third one, what kind of storage it consists? Column storage, so that it quick read. So optimized for reading, column storage purposes. Column storage. This one is row storage. So optimized for writing. Okay. So HANA DB column storage data structure and other DBs are row storage. So column DB, the column storage is optimized for reading, row storage is optimized for writing. So analytics and transactions means both means here OLAP plus OLTP. OLAP means online analytical processing. OLTP means online transactional processing. Both at the same time it is working. Same time it's working. But in the case of other DB, both the systems, both are in separate systems. Both are in separate systems, so it is calling separately. So somewhat delay happen. Then coming to fifth point, compression. High compression, high data compression is possible. Here, high data compression, it means it is in TB, we can compress into MBs and GBs. This is low, comparatively less compression will happen in other DBs when it is storing. So these are all advantages of HANA DB, but the only one disadvantage is cost. So it required high RAM so that the cost is very high compared to this one. It requires a standard hardware. It required a standard.